Former Senator Sonny Trillanes is floating the idea of a new unit team as early as 2 years before the next presidential election. In an interview with 1PH at Totoo Lang, Trillanes said supporters of Leni Robredo and President Bongbong Marcos could potentially join forces. The alliance of former political rivals in 2022, according to Trillanes, may be the only way to defeat the Dutertes.
Ang tinutulak ko nga ay magsanib pwersa pa. Ang middle forces, yung mga kakamping and the others with the administration supporters. Kasi pagka ganon, mas malaki yung tsansa talaga na matatalo nyo yung mga pwersa ng mga Duterte.
But Robredo's ally, Senator Risa Ontiveros, is cautioning against any drastic move at this point. She stressed that any move toward a unified candidacy must undergo careful and thorough discernment.
Yung iba pong mga tanong ay siguro kung ilalapit sa amin ay pag-iisipan at pag-uusapan, magkakaisahin din at a later stage. Pero first things first muna, pagkakaisa at sama-samang desisyon.